DJI Mavic 4 Pro Creator Combo. The tri-camera drone professionals actually need. Your drone's turning every takeoff into a comedy of errors, huh? That nagging frustration when props whine uselessly or footage turns out as sharp as a potato, blocking your vision before it even lifts off? It's like the sky's mocking your ambitions. Sound too real? Spill your most ridiculous rotor rage moment in the comments. Let's turn those gripes into giggles and plot your aerial comeback.
Deadlines crash like rogue gusts. Stress knots your shoulders from botched takes, and burnout creeps in, turning vibrant shoots into dreamed drudgery. Relatable chaos? Hold tight. There's a clever workaround lurking, a drone that hands you the reins minus the extra tangle of gadgets and guesswork. Envision stealing back those frittered minutes. Flight by Liberated Flight. Ready to wave goodbye to the whirlwind?
Discover the DJI Mavic 4 Pro 512GB Creator Combo, a hypnotic fusion of tech wizardry that's got creators smirking at their old setups, delivering all-in-one aerial alchemy for pros who crave uncompromised storytelling without the setup circus. This flagship tri-camera powerhouse, born from Hasselblad's color mastery, boasts a 100-megapixel 4/3 CMOS main sensor unleashing 6K at 60 FPS HDR videos with dynamic range that paints skies in soul-stirring depth. The medium telecamera's 70mm equivalent 1/1.3-inch CMOS lens crushes portrait perspectives with buttery compression, while the periscope tele's 166mm reach snags hyper-detailed close-ups from safe havens. The 360-degree infinity gimbal spins dynamic angles for those swoon-worthy cinematic sweeps, and 0.1 lux nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing lights up low-light dodges for fearless dusk dances. Stretch sessions with 51 minutes of max flight time per battery, 3 included, plus a parallel charging hub for seamless swaps, and beam crystal clear 30 kilometers or 18.6 miles 04 plus 10-bit HDR feeds via the foldable 7-inch RC Pro 2 controller, its 1500-knot rotatable screen, a sun-defying command throne. Massive 512GB internal storage swallows ALLI 422 encodes without a hiccup, bundled with ND filters, extra props, and a rugged case for on-the-go epics. Active track lock subjects in fluid pursuit, master shots automate showstopper sequences, and advanced return to home seals the safety pact. One mini story, a wildlife dock shooter mid-chase through twilight thickets flipped to periscope tele for a razor-sharp owl wingspan. 0 collisions, pure magic on that epic battery stretch. Sensory rush? Sense the gimbal's silky pivot syncing with your pulse. Footage blooming like forbidden fruit. Stick around for the insider tip that turbocharges your color grading. It's the hidden spark every creator chases.
Buckle up for the DJI Mavic 4 Pro Creator Combo's benefits bonanza. Efficiency blooms as 51-minute flights, tripled with spares and that genius charging hub, let you devour sprawling locations sans the frantic battery roulette, honing your focus into laser-sharp intuition for shots that whisper genius before you even land. Performance pulses with omnidirectional sensing's velvet vigilance, carving paths through cluttered chaos while active track and master shots weave automated symphonies that amp your output from grind to glory. Think transforming a mundane meadowpan into a pulse-racing odyssey. A tech guru spilled over a virtual pint. Forget gimmicks. This tri-lens trio redefines narrative depth. The 100MP Hasselblad's low-light whisper had my feeds glowing without a fight. That influencer with 1 million followers? She dished mid-flight lens swaps? My secret weapon now. Nabbed a glacial crevice intimate with the 166mm periscope, hues so alive it mocked my old post tweaks. Analysts chime in slyly. DJI's prosumer crown jewel, the 512GB bundle vaporizes barriers, trumping bespoke beasts at half the hassle. Everyday warriors echo it. A real estate ace grinned. Urban dodges were dicey. Now this drone's senses are my urban ninja, zooming facades flawlessly from afar. Thousands rave in hushed tones, hooked on the RC Pro 2's glare-proof glow that feels like cheating daylight itself. Why chase adequate when this ignites envy in every edit bay? Which Mavic 4 Pro perk, endless storage or nightscape stealth, would rewrite your routine? Drop it in the comments. Let's unearth more tales. Feel the prop hum vibrating ambition through your fingertips, footage unfurling like a siren's call. Raw, riveting, relentlessly yours.
Hurry! The DJI Mavic 4 Pro 512GB Creator Combo's flying off shelves as savvy creators swarm to swap stale skies for this tri-camera triumph, echoing that influencer's verdict. It rewired my entire creative pulse overnight. If glitchy gears grinding your gears, this could flip your script entirely. Thousands of soared ahead. Don't lag, snatch yours now and reveal the exclusive gimbal tweak for butter-slick pans that mesmerize. Propel your portfolio into legend status today. Click through, claim the skies, and watch your world expand.